Under the spotlight today, we've got something to tantalise your taste buds because we've got 4 of a kind, the Blood and Custard BR Mark 1 coaches, new from Hornby in TT 120. Let's get a closer look. Looking at both sides, and yes, my name's Andy, and this is my channel Modeloco for all things model railway. Usual Hornby packaging, superb throughout. Cannot fault these models. I've pushed them, I've had them running around the track. Awesome stuff. Let's get them on the turntable. And first up is the TT 4005 BR Mark 1 Composite Corridor E15058 Era 4, of course. As it spins round, you can start to see some of the detail in there. Lovely. And it's going to go great with my other collections that I'm starting to get together on my layout as I build it and progress. Next up, we've got the TT 4005A BR Mark 1 Composite Corridor E15303 Era 4. A superb. There's no marks, no glue marks. I haven't seen any glue marks on any of the wagons or coaches that I've got, and none of the coaches have caught or clashed or made any funny grinding noises. They've all been absolutely superb. Next up, we've got the TT 4005B BR Mark 1 Composite Corridor E15481 Era 4 again, all Era 4. There's a 5th coach as well coming out, which is another brake coach, which is coming up next. And sometimes 2 brake coaches were used when they were being pulled from either end. But anyway, TT 4006 BR Mark 1 Corridor brake, 2nd E34734 Era 4. And that looks superb as well. It's really free on the track. I had to really make sure that the turntable itself was exactly level. Otherwise, these coaches just roll. It's no good when a camera's trying to focus. Yeah, the Blood and Custard go anywhere, do anything BR Mark 1 coaches. They were all built between 1951 and 1963. The detail on these is fantastic. We're not talking 00 here, we're talking TT 120. These were stronger in real life than the designs they replaced and used in one form or another up until 2010 in the UK when they bid mainline services goodbye on the Lymington Branch Line. Yes, we can still enjoy these on heritage railways, used for special occasions and on our model railways too. And as of this week, in TT 120 scale as well, from Hornby. Simply loved the look of these coaches in 00. I've always loved the look of them on real life railways, and now I'm enjoying them in Shiredale. And here are 4 perfect examples of these iconic works of art, as I think they are. Let's get each one of them out and coupled up to a Flying Scotsman and give them a quick test run through the village station. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for Modeloco, all things model railway. And if you want to join and help support the channel, you can do too now as well, with a few perks coming along the way. It's all new stuff. It's all new to me. I'm a busy lad, and I'm sure you are too if you're into TT 120 or any modelling adventure. Enjoy the journey, and we'll see you next time. I'll leave you with some running shots.